Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and happy holidays. It's the most wonderful time of year, and what's amazing is, because of COVID and everything going on, this is the most Christmas lights I've ever seen down in Wildwood Crest, and in North Wildwood. And so I wanted to go ahead and drive around for you guys and share some video. And we have another article where we're going to show some photos. And it looks like there's going to be like 40 some odd pages of photos from the amount that we took. So I'm going to start you guys off here at the Lighthouse. They do this every single year. It's absolutely beautiful. Join me on my tour before we get started. Make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. As you know, our lighthouse is beautiful any time of year, but look at it with Christmas lights everywhere. Both sides. Around the pole, they've got lights and garland with wreaths. And then look at this. How beautiful. I'm gonna walk in for you guys so you can see the Christmas tree. You can't go inside, but you can get very close and take some really cool photos. You get these two trees over here. Public Works does a really great job. There's a wreath all the way on top of the roof. And then here we go. Now today was the Christmas parade, so we had Santa over here and Mrs. Claus. These chairs were in the middle, but look how awesome, right? Now it just started raining, so we're gonna quickly get in the car and drive around, take more photos and videos. Let's do this. I think this house here bought all the lights. Look at it all. There's so many of them, it looks great. Now I'm outside the North Wildwood Rec Center, and there's some fun out here because there's a Beach Patrol car here with ornaments on it and lights. So let me share all of this with you guys. It's really cool. So first you can see the poles where the normal flags hang, because we normally have, I think it's 13 different flags for different countries. And you can see that the snowflakes are changing colors, where they're going from white to blue. I'm gonna flip over this way. See Frosty and Santa Claus. They have some wreaths on the building, but I mean the coolest thing is today was the parade, so they have, but one of the vehicles they decorated was the Beach Patrol one. You can see the lights and the ornaments still on it. Oh, I love that, right? So cute. All right, let's continue on. This house is awesome because their Santa is dancing. Do you see him dancing? Look at him go. Look at him go. Now I'm outside Plaza. They had the parade today. This place was filled, and luckily it did not rain. It literally, the parade ended, and then like 20 minutes later, boom, the rain came down. Well, let me flip the camera around to show you what it looks like, and I wanted to show you the poles, because they decorate the poles year round, but this year, because, well, I guess right now because it's rainy out, the poles look really cool, and now they have the candles hanging up. So let me flip the camera around. Making our way into the plaza. Seeing both sides, they decorated trees over here. You can see the rain coming down. And let me show you the street. We'll make our way down the street now. Look how cool it looks with the lights, right? And while I'm over here, let me showcase some of the cool places we have on Pacific Avenue. Here is Maggie's, and look how cute their window is. It's got a small village down here. And here is Beach Whiskers. Very cute. Look at the palm tree, right? I like that palm tree. I love this. This is like the farm kind of Christmas. Look how cute. Now, currently we're outside Cape Assist, because there's something here you guys probably don't know about. It's called the annual Tree of Hope dedication and lighting. And I'm gonna go ahead and read this sign to you. The ornaments and trees for Tree of Hope serves as a symbol of hope for those struggling with and recovering from addiction, and a shining remembrance of those who are no longer with us. By dedicating an ornament or tree, you help keep the flame of hope alive for those who have been touched by addiction and who are striving for a better tomorrow for themselves, their families, and our community. And these are the trees right behind them. And you can see there's ornaments on them. You see this one here has who it's dedicated for. And then the ornaments right there have names on them. See some names on them. Yep. It's a great thing they have here. Once again, not too many people know about. And now we're outside City Hall. They always do a great job at City Hall. And Holly Beach Park down the street is probably my favorite place to visit when you're down here. So we're gonna go there next. But first, here is City Hall. I love because it is a 1950s, 60s building. It looks awesome. So you throw these colors on here, it just pops. Zoom out just a little bit. How awesome, right? And now we're walking over to Holly Beach Park, and oh my gosh, the amount of lights here are spectacular. I'm gonna have to do just one full video on this again. We did one last year, but they've added so much more. Oh my gosh. It's just insane how many they have. Look at this, seriously. Yep. Definitely coming back to do another video. But you know, I'll just film a full video now and put it on here in a day or two for you guys. But look how awesome, right? So amazing. Now I'm in Wildwood Crest outside Sunset Lake, which is technically outside Sunset Lake anyway. They just lit the Christmas tree about 3 days ago. And what's great about this area, besides this Christmas tree, which I'm going to show you in a second, they have Christmas decorations the whole length going all the way down straight to where the water tower is. And you can drive by very slowly, put on some Christmas music, and enjoy the decoration. So let me go ahead and show you those decorations first before I show you the tree. Now it's time for the tree. Now it's time for the tree. Look at that beauty, huh? Now imagine what these lights look like from the water. Probably looks really cool. You know what? If it's not raining tomorrow, I'm going to try to get the drone in the sky to get that shot. But they're calling for rain again tomorrow. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me on my tour. I hope you guys had a good time. Hopefully I showed you some awesome places to check out with your kids on a weekend. Come down here, shop a little bit, and come check out the amazing Christmas lights. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I'll put the umbrella down. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, guys, I'll see you on the beach. Happy holidays. Stay safe.